Hey guys, welcome to TMB Designs. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to jump right into the thick of things. It's a cleaning video. And in this video, you guys, I'm doing a very in-depth cleaning to my formal living area. I will do from floor to ceiling or vice versa, from ceiling to floor. You'll see me do deep detailing. And here I am just doing my normal routine of removing all the items that do not belong in this space. And so here I am folding and putting away some of the linens that I actually rented out over the past weekend for events. So that is what you see me doing here. Now, I will give you a bit of advice when you're tackling an area and there seems to be an overwhelming amount of things to do. My advice is to just take it section by section, zoning out your space. Maybe starting from one corner of the room to the other corner. Maybe starting with the coffee table area and then working your way around it. Just whatever pattern you develop, just take it sections at a time so that it doesn't seem like it's so much to do. I have the video, of course, in time-lapse mode, but it was a little bit of a process to get everything folded and put away properly. So just take your time and work at your own pace, and you will eventually get everything done. Now that that mission is accomplished, let's move on to the next. I am here just putting everything away from my shopping haul. Everything has to have a place or it has to go. That is my motto. It helps me to keep things decluttered and on a minimalist level, if that is possible in my world, but I try to keep it at a minimum. Just continuing to put things in their proper place. And this photo, guys, I plan to hang it above my love seat area. Here I am playing around with some positioning of the final pics for my photo wall. And just continuing on to get everything in place. Now that that's done, let's get to the cleaning. Here I am using my 360 Swiffer wand to clean my ceiling fans. As you can see, it is very easy to maneuver, and it has the cleaning bristles on both sides, so no matter what angle you hit your surface with, it is going to clean and remove dust and debris. I absolutely love it. I am continuing on in my ceiling area. Remember, I said I am cleaning from the ceiling down, so this allows me to go ahead and cover any areas there's any spider webs, cobwebs, or just buildup of dust on those areas. This Swiffer allows me to get it removed with ease. So moving on, I am now at my coffee table. And again, when you clean from the top down, it keeps you from overworking yourself. So say for instance, you cleaned your coffee table and then you went back behind yourself and cleaned your ceiling fans. Well, dust and debris from your ceiling fan may fall on your coffee table or on the floor. If you clean from the top down, you go ahead and eliminate each layer of dust and debris with each step. So starting from your ceiling, working your way to your sofas and your tables, and then onto the floor. So that's just a nice, easy way to have a system that works and makes cleaning easier and more efficient for you. And I'm using here my wax on, wax off technique with the wet cloth and damp cloth. I absolutely love this technique. It's easy for me. And you saw me before, I was cleaning with my wood surface with the Pledge multi-surface cleaner, and I actually really do love it. I was an old school Pledge girl, but I decided just to step out of my normal box and try something different, and it's really works well for me. And here I am just cleaning each item. I am not one to wait from season to season to do a detailed cleaning. I clean as I see needed. So tell me, you guys, in the comment box, how often do you all do a detailed cleaning? I know we oftentimes straighten up, pick up here and there, but I mean detailed by wiping down every surface, cleaning your mirror surface, your windows, your walls, different things like that, your ceiling fans. Because for me, I have just severe allergies, so dust is not my friend. So I try to keep my house as dust free as possible. So this is why I do it as needed. And here I am just continuing on with my cleaning, wiping everything down with just a damp cloth. Dusting complete, let's move on to the sofas. Periodically, you guys, I like to fluff my pillows and just flip them over to help elongate the life of the pillows. So here you'll see me just removing everything from the couch itself and just flipping it over just to kind of balance out the weight and form of it. It is well made. I've had this sofa set, I believe, since 2010, so it has served me well. Of course, it's my formal area, so it doesn't get a lot of wear and tear, but I still want to keep it as nice as possible, as long as possible. So here I am, again, fluffing everything out. I love a nice fluffy pillow. It just gives a very luxurious look to your space. Moving on to the love seat, or as I say, my oversized chair. Doing the same here, fluffing everything out, flipping the cushions. You guys, I am so loving these Z Gallery pillows. They are absolutely gorgeous. And I'm moving over now to my entryway table, just removing everything here. Same technique. I do the same in each section, and that's remove everything that doesn't belong, put it in its proper place, and then begin cleaning. And here, you guys, I am doing the same thing with the Swiffer one. I am going through cleaning under lampshades, covering the walls, the corners of my pictures, just any surface that I can't just readily reach on my own. The Swiffer gets that and eliminates all the dust. I love the fact that it grabs the dust so it doesn't like fly all over the place. So that's a plus with using the Swiffer as well. And here I am just wiping everything down, giving it a nice shine. Okay, guys, that is done. Now, whenever you see me bring out my broom or my vacuum, that is an indication that my cleaning is coming to a close. But guys, I want to share something exciting with you. We have hit the 6,000 subscriber mark. Actually, we're at 6,500, I believe. And my goal was to do a giveaway for every 1,000. I remember just a few videos ago I announced that I was at 4. So guess what, you guys? Giveaways are on the way. I'm gonna actually do 6 in commemoration of each 1,000 subscribers that I received. So be looking out for those videos with the details, because you will need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel as well as my social media sites, which are TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs on Instagram. So please, if you haven't already, go ahead and connect with me there, because I have some exciting giveaways to share with you all. And as I finish cleaning, I just want to give a sincere thank you and gratitude to all of my faithful subscribers. You guys have helped this channel to grow tremendously, and I appreciate you all so much for your inspiration, your kind words, your compliments. It is so greatly appreciated. So until the next video, you guys, I want you all to have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Smooches. Oh, I almost forgot. For those who have not, please hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. I would love to have you as a part of our lifestyle family. Here you will find everything from room tours, cleaning videos, shopping videos, DIYs, room tours, and so much more. So again, I'll say until the next video, and as you enjoy the rest of this video, have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day.